Let's take a look inside of AquaTru and see how it works. AquaTru is powered by our patented 4-stage ultra-reverse osmosis technology. In stage 1, the water passes through a mechanical pre-filter that removes larger particles like sediment and rust. Stage 2 is the carbon filter that removes chlorine and chloramines. In stage 3, a high-pressure pump pushes the water through the reverse osmosis membrane, filtering out dangerous inorganic chemicals including lead, chromium-6, arsenic, uranium, nitrates, and lots of other nasty stuff. And in stage 4, the water passes through our activated coconut block filter, which removes organic compounds including rocket fuel, prescription drug residue, and PFAS, leaving you with pure, great-tasting water. Finally, your purified water collects in the clean water tank for easy dispensing, while all that bad stuff is captured and concentrated in the tap water tank so you can easily discard it.